Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Dear kids, in this video we are drawing 2D shapes. प्यारे बच्चों, इस वीडियो में हम 2D shapes draw करेंगे. Dear kids, for all the drawings you need a pencil and paper. हम तो डायरेक्ट मार्कर से बना लेते हैं, लेकिन बच्चों आपने पेंसिल का इस्तेमाल करना है. So the first shape I am drawing here is Pentagon. सबसे पहले आपको पेंसिल से ये शेप बनाना होगा. Like I'm just practicing here. और उसके बाद then you have to use a marker to highlight the 2D shape. So मैंने ये सारे शेप सबसे पहले इस पेंसिल से बनाए हैं and then I will use a marker to highlight these 2D shapes. So here is a marker. This is Pentagon. Pentagon has 5 sides. Circle. This is a circle. Circle. Wow, so beautiful. Pencil से draw करें. First you just practice and sketch with pencil. This is a 3-sided. So this is actually a triangle. Let's color the star. Drawing star first. Star draw करते हैं बच्चों. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how are you wonder you are. Let's draw a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. So I just tried all the drawings with pencil. With pencil first. This is parallelogram. And this is heart shape. Heart. This is heart. Let's color these 2D shapes. Let's learn some colors. Sky blue color. This is purple color. Black color. This is red color. Light green color. Orange color. Brown color. Violet color. Dark blue color. Yellow color. Dark green color. Purple color. Let's start drawing these 2D shapes. Light green color. Light green color. Pentagon. Yellow color. Let's use yellow color. This is a yellow color. Star. Can you draw a star like this? बच्चों आप स्टार बना सकते हैं. So थोड़ा एहतियात करें and don't drop the extra color like this. This is a purple color. Purple color circle. Red color. Red color triangle. Red color triangle. Violet color. Violet color parallelogram. Orange color. Orange color heart. Wow, we have done. Let's revise. Pentagon, circle, triangle, star, parallelogram, heart. Dear kids, like this video, share it and subscribe the channel and do the same practice.